What's up, y'all? Doing a quick review on these Hellcat reps I just got in for my Challenger. Yes sir, man, he's looking real good, man, looking real good. I love the way they look, man. This is the gloss black. As you can tell, it's fucking shiny as fuck, man. Just look at that shit. Fucking love them, man. I can't wait to throw them on. But these are from Factory Reproductions. Now, I didn't see too many videos or pictures about the wheels themselves in gloss black, so I just figured I'd throw a video up on YouTube or whatever. But these are the rears, 20 by 10.5, as you can see. The offsets plus 25 for the rears. These are the fronts, 20 by 9.5 plus 15. Yeah, man. They came out the box. I mean, it's pretty decent, man. This is like a lip protector or whatever they threw on the face. Dust bag for the face. It also came inside of this little plastic bag or whatever, man. But yeah, I mean, I didn't see too many videos or pictures about these Hellcat reps online, so I'm like, I might as well, you know, help anyone who's on the fence about getting them. But this is the glossy black, which in my opinion is the best one. I mean, they do have satin black, but those are more of like a matte kind of finish, and I mean, that's not really what I want to go for. So honestly, you know, I think these are it. You know, I'm waiting for the tires to come in. They should probably be here in a couple days. Once I have those, I'll throw them on the Challenger and then give you guys a quick update of, you know, what's the final results and my final thoughts on them.